Hello everyone in Bytnex. Just to let you know that they are back online as they promised. Today is 22nd of November. The maintenance is over as far as we can see from the back office. So we are all back to business. All the contracts are intact. I have not seen any drastic changes to the contracts. All my contracts are okay. All the daily profits are coming okay. Let me just quickly show you what is going on so you can see that the website is back. I have not seen any major changes that has been done since the 7 days that they've been offline in maintenance. But now that they are back, we are happy that they are back. All our money is still the same. Contracts, number of contracts you have is still the same. The total staked balance is still the same. The overview balance wallet available is still the same. The overview profits locked, everything looks okay. There is no difference from before they went on maintenance. Okay, the website is not faster the way I thought it was going to be faster. It's still the same length of time it will take you to log in. Once you enter your login details and click sign in or login, it will take that number of minutes, 2 minutes, maximum 2 minutes, maybe 3 to log in. So still the same thing, nothing has changed. The main thing is all our contracts are intact and this notice is still there. Okay, so if you are in Bytnex, the time for you to log in is now. So go on, log in, check your contracts, check your balance to make sure that everything is okay. And then if you need to do any transactions, if you have some referral bonus or commission to withdraw, you can withdraw. If you have to activate a contract, you are more than welcome to activate a contract. If you are sitting on the sidelines and you have not signed up, the link to do so is below this video description. If you wish to join this platform, it's only $100 to activate a contract of 2 years, and at the end of that 2-year contract you will get $22,000. So if you fancy $22,000 at the end of 2 years with only $100, use the link below this video description to sign up. And welcome to Bytnex and welcome to my team. Thank you. Don't forget to sign up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video.